What's the meaning of car wash? Car wash. Car wash.
Car wash. Car wash. Car wash refers to the process of cleaning and washing a car, typically using water and cleaning agents. The result of a car wash is a clean and shiny car that looks new. During the car wash, dirt and grime are scrubbed away from the exterior of the vehicle, while the interior is vacuumed and wiped down. A high-quality car wash may also include waxing or polishing the exterior of the car to protect and enhance its finish. Overall, a car wash helps to maintain the appearance of a car and can even help to prolong its lifespan.